KidloLand.
Ah, summer is here. Munchie and Gobble are feeling the summer heat, but it's a perfect day to go to the beach. Munchie has already packed a bag, but the bag is way too heavy. Great job! The chomping monsters pack up and leave the house. They're so excited. Munchie and Gobble hop into their car. Let's go! They have arrived at the beach. It's time to make a sandcastle! Yay! Munchie and Gobble love the beach. They decide to go for a swim in the sea. Fine. Well, that was fun, but the day is getting hotter and hotter. How about having some popsicles? Feed the popsicles. Yum, 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 yum! The chomping monsters beat the heat with these popsicles. Thank you for joining Munchie and Gobble on their day out on the beach. See you next time!